Stow it, son! These folks didn't wait in line to hear your lips flippity-flap. Knuckle up and get ready to dance, you pasty bastard! What you good people are about to see is an operation in progress. This is a real-time feed. No smoke and mirrors pre-recorded bullshit. Elements of the Covenant fleet have made landfall and occupied one of our cities. We'll link up with our forces in theater, engage the enemy, and boot their sorry behinds back into the stratosphere. Yo, demo biatch! You got anything? Didn't think so. Kill the lights!
It took 2 in the nose, then dropped into the atmosphere.
Who was first contact?
405th out of Diego Garcia. But don't expect a big welcome. Covenant wiped most of them out before they hit the ground.
Immediate. Grid Kilo 2-3 is hot. Recommend mission abort.
Roger, Recon.
It's your call, Sarge.
We're going in. Get tactical, Marines!
Covenant ground forces own this city. We'll need to deal with them before we can kill that cruiser.
Pile out! Go, go, go!
I'll evac the wounded. Keep me posted, Cortana.
Of course, Sergeant.
Sir, Corporal Perez, 8 Company? CP's this way.
Must be seeing things.
Guess the brass do give a shit.
Come on, come on, come on! Stay with me, Marine.
No tags.
Hang 2 units, own egg, and he needs an airway.
I'm calling it. It's 1900. The lieutenant got hit as soon as we dropped in.
Who's in charge now, Corporal?
Sergeant Banks, ma'am. He's pinned down up front. Come on, I'll show you.
No, behind that ST. Yeah. 3 more coming left.
I'm running low, man!
Oye, Parsons!
Yeah?
Is it clear?
You tell me.
Friendly's moving out, covering fire!
Grunts, down low.
Ask for reinforcements. I didn't think they'd send a Spartan. We gotta take that thing out. Cover me! Tech HQ, this is Sergeant Banks. I've got hostile artillery 200 meters northeast of my position. Bring smoke, over!
Hostiles right.
Damn it, HQ! Is anybody on this break?
Sergeant, this is Major Easley. Hang tight. We're inbound. Verify delivery of ordnance on target.
Dead on, Major. Target neutralized. Take my weapon.
Squad,
You'll
move
need
out.
it.
Dragon clear. Clear it out.
Could use a gunner, sir.
Go, sir. We got your back.
Hang on.
Bingo! There's the cruiser. Now, all we need to do is... Bet you can't stick it.
You're